Hey guys, on today's video we'll be canceling Fortnite crew. So first of all, we have to go into store.playstation.com. So go into that website from any browser. Once you're in there, go into your account. So on the top right hand corner, you're gonna see your account. Just sign into your account, my PlayStation, and from there you should see something like this. So we're just gonna click right there. Once we click there, we're gonna see a little bit of information, including subscription management. That's exactly where we have to click, on subscription management. Once we click there, we're supposed to see something load up, such as this. So finally we see this. The next renewal date will be for next month. That's exactly what we have to turn off, and that's how you cancel the subscription. Okay, just by turning off the auto renew. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and just click on turn off auto renew. Once we do this, it's not gonna renew again. So that means it's not gonna charge you and you're not gonna get this again. Okay, so you won't be charged again. We're just gonna confirm this. And once we confirm this, we're all done. That's all you guys have to do to cancel Fortnite crew. Does this mean you get to keep all your skins and everything that you got from Fortnite crew? Yeah. You get to keep your skins if you bought the battle pass through Fortnite crew. Yep, you get to keep your battle pass. You get to keep the V-Bucks that you earned. So the V-Bucks that Fortnite crew gave you, those you also get to keep. So you get to keep everything that you paid for basically. And that's it. That's all you guys have to do. Just close this up and we are done. That's it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.